Following approval from the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, a Portuguese national convicted in a drugs trafficking case has been transferred from Goa's Colvale Central Jail to a prison in Portugal to serve the remaining portion of his sentence. The convict, Ivan Miguel, was arrested by the Anti-Narcotics Cell on 14th January 2014 during a raid at Mandrem for illegal possession of commercial quantities of drugs, including MDMA, cocaine, and LSD. In 2016, the Special NDPS Court convicted Miguel and sentenced him to 15 years of rigorous imprisonment. He subsequently challenged the verdict before the High Court, which, taking into consideration his young age at the time of the offence and his family responsibilities, reduced the sentence from 15 years to 12 years. Invoking the Council of Europe's Convention on the Transfer of Sentenced Persons, the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, approved Miguel's transfer to Portugal, where he will serve the remaining jail term of approximately 1 year. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.